So hello everybody, and on behalf of all of us at Forum Europe and Forum Global, a very warm welcome to the Global Spectrum Series 2020. Now, all of the events this year are of course going to be taking place in a slightly different format to normal. They're all going to be taking place virtually and online. So because of that, we've just put together this very short video to show you a little bit more about the platform we're going to be using for the event, and hopefully to enable you to make the most of your time with us during the conference. So you can see on the screen here the first page that you'll find when you first enter the platform. This is the reception area. Think of it as the main landing page for the event. You can find general information about the conference, all the logos of our sponsors and partners, and crucially, the schedule for each day of the conference and the sessions that will be taking place. Now, down the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the main menu, which directs you to the different areas for the conference itself. So you have, first of all, the stages area. So you can see all the stages, all of the sessions, the plenary discussions, the panel debates. They will all be taking place in the stages area. So you can use that area to navigate through to the different sessions that will be taking place. The next area down is the Have Your Say area and the more interactive area of the platform. So you can see here there's some public meeting rooms which you're able to use. And you will also find that during the conference, we're going to have a number of sessions where you will have the opportunity to bring your audio and your video feed live, the Have Your Say sessions there. So you can do that by clicking on the button in the top corner and then accepting all the settings. And as you can see, I've been brought live onto the session, and we have the chance to be part of the debate in that way. Now, one of the ways that this platform may differ from some of the other platforms that you've used for online events is some of the interactive areas that we do have available. And the first ones of those that I wanted to show you is the networking area. So as you can see, you can navigate to that using the third icon down on the left-hand menu. Go into there, you click on the ready button. That will then automatically link you with another person who is also using the site. You can see I've been linked with my colleague James here. You can then have a brief conversation, and as I've just done there, click the connect button to share contact details and virtually exchange business cards. Now, there's also actually a second way that you can also network with people on the platform, and this one's a bit more targeted. So you can use the menu bar on the right-hand side to view the list of attendees, to view everybody who is participating at the event. You can then scroll through the people who are actually on the platform, find maybe a contact that you want to connect with. By clicking on them, as I'm going to do very shortly now, you can then send them messages, send one-to-one messages, and actually click on the link there to set up a one-to-one video area. By doing that, you see, I then would just click on the menu to bring my audio and video feed live, and I am then able to connect with my colleague Lula and have a one-to-one private video chat with her. So moving back now to the left-hand menu, and the final area I wanted to show you is the exhibition area. So here you can find the information on all our different exhibitors, and you can find videos, presentations, different demonstrations they're giving. Click on the individual stand and you can see all of the information for that exhibitor by accessing that area there. So please don't forget to do that and check that area out at some point during the event. Finally, I just wanted to come back and talk a little bit more about a couple more of the interactive areas. So during all of the sessions, you will find on the right-hand side, both the chat area is available for general comments, for questions for the speakers. So please do post those in there. And we will also be running polls, which you can access using the tab on the right-hand side there. And you can vote on the different polls that are up there, which will then be brought into the discussion by the moderators during the event. So that's just about it. Thank you again for joining us. If you have any questions at all during your time with us, then please do not hesitate to contact any one of my colleagues using the chat function on the right-hand side of the screen. And we really look forward to the event, and thank you again for joining us.